Hello everyone, how's going everything? And in my previous video, I showed you how you can copy the auto suggest keyword from Google SERP. Uh, let's say you need to just click on this bookmark and it will say that copy 10 auto suggest term to clipboard. Right, and you can paste it anywhere. You'll get the auto suggest keywords from Google very easily. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can copy each of the title from the SERP. It is very important when you are researching titles for your content, right? So how you can copy all of this SERP title in one click. So in this video, I'm going to show you this. And here is my JavaScript function. You just need to copy this from here. I'm going to share with you this doc file. You just copy the code from here, and then click Add Page, and then paste it here. You can say something like copy titles, okay, and then click Save. And now if I reload this page and click on this bookmark, it says copy 16 titles to clipboard. Right, so click OK, and uh, and now you can see if I paste it here, it will it is copy all of the title from the SERP. So uh, yeah, that's it. And subscribe to my channel for getting more tips and tricks like this.